let's talk about a true culinary icon, Kentucky Fried Chicken. This isn't just any fried chicken, it's a global phenomenon that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions. That red and white bucket isn't just food, it's nostalgia, engineered for craveability. Each bite takes you back to simpler times, filled with family gatherings and joyful moments. Replicating it isn't just about frying chicken, it's about recreating a legend. The secret lies in the details, from the seasoning to the cooking technique. Today, we're on a mission to make fried chicken so close to the Colonel's original, it could fool even him. This is no small feat, but we're up for the challenge. We'll need to master 3 things: juicy chicken, a complex seasoning blend, and the perfect cooking method. And that signature craggy crust. It's what makes each piece irresistibly crunchy and delicious. Each step is crucial. Miss one, and the magic is lost. Precision and attention to detail are key. This isn't just a recipe, it's a flavor experiment. We're diving deep into the science of taste and texture. To help, our claymation chefs will break down the science behind every step. They'll explain why each ingredient and technique is essential. They'll show how salt in a brine tenderizes, making the chicken juicy and flavorful, and how flour sticks to the chicken, creating that perfect coating. Seeing the process in action makes it all click. Visualizing each step helps ensure you get it right. Get ready for a deep dive into pressure frying, secret spices, and buttermilk brines. These elements are the backbone of our recipe. This isn't a quick meal, it's a weekend project ending in a feast. It's an experience to be savored and shared. By the end, you'll have the skills to answer the Colonel's call anytime. You'll be a fried chicken master. The power of the bucket will be in your hands. You'll be able to recreate that iconic taste whenever you want. Ready to cook? Let's begin. Gather your ingredients and tools. Claymation chefs march into the kitchen. Let's get cooking. It's time to bring the Colonel's magic to your kitchen. The heart of KFC's flavor. It's a mystery that's inspired countless home cooks and food detectives for decades, all searching for that elusive, crave-worthy taste. The legendary 11 herbs and spices, an iconic blend that's become the stuff of fast food legend. The exact recipe is locked away, but with a little culinary sleuthing, we can get surprisingly close to the real thing. The key is white pepper. It's what gives KFC its signature, lingering slow heat and a subtle complexity that sets it apart. Our blend starts with salt, white and black pepper, garlic and onion powder, paprika, mustard powder, celery salt, thyme, basil, and oregano, each one adding its own note to the symphony of flavor. Mix these into 2 cups of flour for the dredge, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor from the inside out. Ratios matter. 4 tablespoons salt, 3 of white pepper, 1 of black pepper, 2 of paprika, 2 of garlic powder, and 1 of onion powder, measured with care. And a tablespoon each of the rest: mustard powder, celery salt, thyme, basil, and oregano, rounding out the blend. MSG is the secret weapon. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons for that unmistakable, deep umami hit that makes the flavor pop. If you skip it, you'll miss a certain magic, an extra layer of savoriness that brings everything together. Our claymation chefs agree, umami is king, and it's what makes this blend truly irresistible. This blend goes in both the brine and the flour, infusing every layer of the chicken with bold aromatic flavor. With this arsenal of spices, you're ready to build craveable flavor that rivals the Colonel's own. The spice blend is your secret weapon. Guard it well, and use it generously. Claymation chef sprinkles spices with flair, sending a cloud of aroma into the air. Let's move to the next step and see how this legendary blend transforms our chicken. Scene transition. Great fried chicken starts with a brine. This simple step is the secret to juicy, flavorful meat that stays moist even after frying. Salt changes the chicken's proteins, locking in moisture and ensuring every bite is tender, not dry. We're using a buttermilk brine for extra tenderness and flavor. Buttermilk's natural acidity works wonders. Combine 4 cups buttermilk with a 1/4 cup of your favorite spice blend. Think paprika, garlic powder, cayenne, and black pepper for a kick. Submerge a 9-piece cut chicken in the brine, making sure every piece is fully coated. Cover and refrigerate. Let it marinate at least 4 hours. Overnight is best for maximum flavor and juiciness. The buttermilk's acidity gently tenderizes, while The salt seasons deep inside, infusing every bite with flavor. This step transforms the chicken from the inside out, making it plump, juicy, and ready for frying. Our claymation chicken relaxes in its buttermilk spa, soaking up all those delicious flavors and moisture. Don't skip this step. Moist, flavorful chicken depends on it. The difference is truly remarkable. Now let's build the perfect crust. Claymation timer ticks down. Get ready for the crunch. Time for the next phase. Scene transition. The crust is fried chicken's armor, craggy, crispy, and full of flavor. We want nooks and crannies, not a smooth shell. The secret? A double dredge. First, coat the brined chicken in seasoned flour. Let it rest so the coating hydrates and sticks. For the second dredge, we second grains. Drizzle a little buttermilk brine into the flour and toss to create clumps. Press the chicken into this lumpy flour for extra crunch. These flour pebbles create that signature KFC texture. Our claymation chef demonstrates press, rest, dredge, again. Now, the chicken is ready for the fryer. The crust is set, let's fry. Claymation chef gives a thumbs up. On to the hot oil. Scene transition. KFC uses a pressure fryer, but at home, a Dutch oven works. Use lard or solid shortening for authentic flavor. Fill the pot 3 inches deep. Heat to 325 degrees size, 163 degrees size, and monitor with a thermometer. Don't overcrowd. Fry 3 or 4 pieces at a time. Dark meat cooks 12 to 15 minutes. White meat 8 to 10. Turn halfway for even browning. Chicken is done at 165 degrees to fry, 74 degrees inside. Drain on a wire rack to keep the crust crisp. Let it rest 10 minutes before serving. The result? Juicy, golden, perfectly cooked chicken. The hard part's over. Time for the sides. Claymation chef wipes brow. Let's complete the feast. KFC is more than chicken, it's the sides too. The classic trio mashed potatoes with gravy, sweet coleslaw, and fluffy biscuits. For mashed potatoes, boil russets, mash with butter, milk, and salt. Make gravy with leftover chicken cracklings and flour, then whisk in broth. For coleslaw, finely shred cabbage and carrots, mix with mayo, vinegar, sugar, and lemon juice. Let it chill for an hour to meld flavors. Biscuits, self-rising flour, cold butter, buttermilk, handle gently for flaky layers. Bake until golden. Arrange chicken and sides in a big bowl or bucket. Serve for the ultimate comfort food feast. The meal is complete. Claymation family gathers. Time to enjoy. Step back and admire your creation. A bucket of golden, craggy chicken. The aroma is pure nostalgia. Gather your people and dig in. The first bite, shatteringly crisp crust, juicy, seasoned meat. You've cracked the code. This is more than imitation, it's a tribute. With science, patience, and the right steps, you've mastered an icon. Now, you can make legendary fried chicken anytime. The journey is as rewarding as the feast. Be bold, follow the steps, and make it finger-licking good. Claymation chef bows. The Colonel would be proud. End with a triumphant bucket shot. Enjoy your
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.